Economic and Societal 2025-2026 observations seen online, in articles and reported on the news. 2025-2026 food prices have record high increase and grocery store prices have soared. Escalating housing prices seem to be preventing some young adults from leaving parental homes or even being able to purchase their first home. West Virginia coal mine layoffs and closings. Some TSA agents are quitting, mostly due to lack of receiving wages. Increase of university graduates experiencing prolonged unemployment. Major job losses. Childcare costs have greatly increased. USA manufacturing reported losses. Gas prices have increased considerably. News reported Epstein cover-ups. Medicaid cuts affecting many. Reported increase of national debt. Loss of tourism, greatly affecting the economy. USA is suspected being hated worldwide. News reports that the White House is building a ballroom. Shipping amounts down by almost 90% in the blockage of Strait of Hormuz caused by the war. Corruption reported in many different industries. Large increase seen in plasma donations. Reported Trump tariffs increase. Many reported deportations. Kids' iPod usage increase at much earlier ages. Noticed some post offices are out of postage stamps. News reports, considerable number of DOJ lawyers quitting. Federal judges receiving threats have increased by as much as 70% from previous year. Airlines are being affected. Car dealerships are being affected. Sports betting, creating financial havoc for some. The USA dollar is affected. Social media videos shows an increase in both elderly, toddlers, and teenagers reported missing. Truckers quitting because of lighter truckloads, affected by tariffs. Some farmers and ranchers are filing bankruptcy at an alarming rate due to tariffs and because soybeans and corn are now sold by other countries. Some teachers are reported quitting. Some nurses are reported quitting. Some doctors are reported quitting. Shared plans of thousands of layoffs by corporate America as well as small businesses. Journalists reported killed in Gaza. Some journalists reported as being arrested. Large number of federal workers laid off following DOGE analysis. Approximately 350,000 black females laid off after the Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion government planned reduction was implemented. Massive amounts of restaurants closing. Many retail stores closing. Many empty buildings seen everywhere. Reported robots replacing some jobs and tasks. AI being implemented in certain areas, replacing some job tasks to reduce costs. Farmland being bought up by the elite. Many houses being purchased by large capital organizations. Increased number of reported bankruptcies. Housing prices are soaring from previous years. Rental housing fees have greatly increased. Many homeowners have walked away from mortgages. Steep price increase reported in black barbershops, causing some customer loss. This has caused some shops to close permanently. Example, old haircut prices were $20 per haircut are now, in some shops, $100 per haircut. Because of national increased rental housing fees, renters are also walking away from rentals and finding other alternatives. Increased unhoused reported living in cars, public storage facilities, hotels, and extended stays. Credit card debt has increased, and many are defaulting. No readily farm orchard workers available due to massive deportations. Many immigrants fearful to attend work, school, or church for fear of ICE patrol has affected those families greatly. Equipment companies affected like John Deere when farmers were impacted by the tariffs. College graduate school loans impacted by lack of income due to scarcity and harder to jobs in this economy. Social media reported lots of very long-time job seekers. Circulation of money in the economy is moving differently. Increased in reported stolen credit and debit cards. Increased purchase card stealing equipment reported silently. Lifting card detail information unknown to card holders, much oftentimes way after the information has already been taken. Wars and rumors of wars. Major microplastics detected in bottled water, storage containers, and ocean waste. Car insurance premiums have increased. Medical insurance premiums increased. In 2026, many medical insurance holders won't be able to afford to utilize the insurance because of the new add-in clauses such as 50% copayment after deductibles are met. Strange new flu strain reported. Measles outbreaks reported. Some chickens look physically different. resistant bacteria introduced and reported. Increased porch theft reports. Increased store theft reports. Online ordering being monitored by hacking thieves and products, sometimes taken before owners can even retrieve the delivered packages. Online credit card and bank fraud scams have greatly increased. Social media accounts, bank accounts, texts, emails, and cell phones are experiencing silent takeovers, along with reported diverting calls and messages, creating sub-emails, etc., and using AI voices calling family members in distress and fraud schemes, etc. Phone calls without permission, being diverted and answered by imposters trying to get information. Increased number of apps and online platforms requesting more personal user information. Cell phones increase in surrounded calls, being answered by imposters not linked or connected to the call destination. Imposter online ordering platforms, hijacked and mimicking the official platforms. The wealthy elites are reported selling stock and buying bunkers. It has been reported that some want to travel to the moon, while others want to travel to the bottom of the ocean. Increased number of African American maternity birth deaths reported being seen in hospitals. Some social media videos show a few parents sharing that after a major event, their child started showing signs of autism. Reported Havana syndrome in some workers. Coroners reported in 2025 that long yet be identified, white stringy things have been seen in several dead bodies that have never been seen prior. Reports of long-term COVID disorders have been shared on social media. Stress-induced autoimmune diseases increases seen on social media. Reported hangings on bridges and trees of African American and Mexican males on past news reports. Handful of psychotic episodes taken place on airplanes seen in news reports. School shootings in colleges, universities, and K-12 schools reported on the news. Unusual weather patterns of snow, thunderstorms, earthquakes, etc. seen on the news. Metals found and reported in hair braiding extensions. Reported metals found in different herbs and spices. Increased reported human trafficking, reported that some organizations have had a hand in the issue, and was reported during a governmental hearing on television. Unhappy residents living close to built data center facilities and ones being built are reporting causing serious bodily health issues.